Let's go. Boss up, baby. And we back. Got another three great courier contracts. One are straight courier companies. Another one is a courier company that works off the app. Now, they are not national companies. They are, kind of in various locations throughout the country, but I got them spread out. So I got, one company that works in the Southeast, one works in the Midwest, one works Northeast, West Coast. So it should be something, at least one company out of these three that should be in your area, guys. So hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. You know, boy, boss up with K, boss up. I'm gonna show you how to get these gig economies jobs, these courier contracts, how to get your car rolling, side businesses, how to start your own businesses, all type of ways to make income and get out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. All right. So no long talk. Let's get into it. We got first up. Let's go make this a little bigger here. North 24/7 Crossroads Courier. This company is a great company for you guys looking to get your cargo van, box truck, or pickup truck rolling. Let's see what areas they are in. First off, we come here, go to apply to drive. And we're going to apply because we want to drive. So you see, looking for cars. You can have a car. You get hired with this company. Minivan, SUV. And let's see if we can make this bigger still. I don't like the way this looks here. There we go. So we got Monday through Friday openings, weekends, long distance, on demand. So whatever your schedule, they can work around that. You need a clean NVR, valid driver license, 3 years of clean driving history. Many times they make you pay for your own NVR. Sometimes they pull it. I'm not sure with this company. But if you come down here and you see what city are you applying for, and I don't think y'all can see that part. But the cities they have listed on here is St. Louis, Kansas City, Phoenix, Las Vegas, Chicago, and Dallas. So they got Phoenix, Las Vegas on the West Coast, and majority of everything else is in the Midwest, St. Louis, Chicago, and Dallas. But don't worry, we got two more companies to talk about. If this company is not on, it's not in your city, not in your region, I have two more to talk about in this video. So stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it. Next, we got T-Mobile. Now, this is the app-based company. They work primarily off of the app to book your loads. You see they're looking for pickup trucks, large SUVs, cargo vans, and box trucks. You can see kind of the rate based on the type of vehicle. Of course, the larger the vehicle, the more money you can make. So this is the T-Mobile site, tmobdelivery.com. Come here, go to become a driver and get loaded. So let's see what the driver information details. Be your own boss. They always stealing my tagline. Boss up, boss up. No food, no passengers, just furniture. Drive solo, be a team, be a helper. Boss up, build your own business, get your own furniture moving company with this app. Same things you need. Must be a 2001 or newer. So people who, always asking what year vehicle, they actually have the year vehicle that you need or newer, 2001. Proof of insurance, all that good stuff, smartphone, of course, and be competent, know how to read and write, get tips, all that stuff. And then you come here to register. And now let's see what city T-Mobile is in. And T-Mobile is in Charlotte, Detroit, Orlando, Tampa, and the Twin Cities. So we got the Southeast, Charlotte, Orlando, Tampa, Florida. We got the Midwest for this one. All right, but don't fret, we got one more. We got one more company, 24/7 Express. Let's see if this company is in your area. And they do long haul trucking, cargo vans, and box trucks, what they're primarily looking for. They have a Kansas City office and a St. Louis office. Let's see where else they are at. We got jobs. Okay, so we got Kansas City jobs, St. Louis jobs. Not sure how far they stretch out from that area. Let's see what we got in the Kansas City. Kansas City class minimum requirements. So this is going to be primarily for larger vehicles, your larger trucks, your 24 24 feet, 26 feet box trucks, not for cars or cargo vans. This is for the larger vehicles, 24/7. And they are in Kansas City and St. Louis, so a Midwest region. I'm pretty sure they can, any city within 100 miles of these two cities should be able to work out and get hired. You dig? All right, so that's 3. We got Crossroads, Courier.com, Temu, not Temu, Teamo app, the Teamo app, and last one we got 24/7 logistics. All right. So that is 3. Count them. 3. 3 courier contract companies you guys can apply and get hired on. I always teach you do not just simply send out a resume or simply fill out the job form. You fill out the job form first, then you call the phone number immediately after filling out the job form. You search the About Me, the contact page. You go through the website, try to find the contact information. I did a video earlier this month where I did a cold call and called the company and kind of show you guys what I say and who I try to speak to. You want to speak to with the hiring manager or speak with the person that's in charge of hiring drivers and see what exactly they're looking for, what type of equipment they need, so you can guys get hired on quickly and get rolling and see how much they're paying and all that good stuff. All right. So once you fill out this form, you call them, call the number. If you're close enough, you pull up on them and you send them an email once a week. Call them once a week. Answer about if they're hiring or not. All right. All right. Until next time, boss up, baby. Pew, 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 pew.